So can you scan a QR code on the iPad? Let's explain that. And if you're new on this channel, go ahead and subscribe to Foxtecc and you're not going to miss anything important. Essentially, yes, the short answer is of course that you cannot do it, but you need to set it up first in case you don't have it turned on. So inside of your main settings app, you need to locate your camera section. So it should be somewhere on the left panel. So scroll a bit and tap on camera. Then we have one toggle, which is basically designed for this purpose, and it's called Scan QR codes. So you need to ensure it's turned on, otherwise it's not gonna work. And then once you have it turned on, you can just open up your camera as if you were about to take a photo regularly, and you can point it at like a QR code, right? You can see a little button below is gonna appear, and if there is a link which is like part of that QR code, then you can tap on the button below it and open up the link. If it's a something different, for example, a Wi-Fi network encoded with a password, you can tap a button and instantly connect to that network. Also, it might be something else like just a plain text in there, which you should have the ability to copy, right? So it should work like that. It works well for me whenever I see a QR code. It's the same thing with an iPhone and on the iPad as well. So let me know in the comments if you managed to make it work for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the future tutorials.